Say, what do you want
What do you want?
for food?
What do you want for food?
Can I have apple juice with water?
Sure. When I put juice with water, can I have your money?
You need my money? How much money do you need?
I need 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's my 4.
That's not your money.
What is that?
That's green.
Money's green.
I like green.
Okay, can I have my apple juice with water?
When I put juice with water, can I have your money?
Here's my money.
Put them in the cash register. Here's your candy.
My apple juice with water, you mean?
No, your candy.
I didn't want candy. I want apple juice with water. You put it in the cash register already?
Yes.
Get it out.
No, I put your money in the cash register.
Oh. Okay.
1 apple juice with water. Now,
Yeah, here's my money.
put them in the cash register.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Can I have your money?
What'd you do with that gummy bear?
I don't know.
Let me see it.
No, you can't.
Please.
No.
You don't eat it, please. It's dirty. I'll give you another one, okay? You're a bad baby.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna choke on something.
Okay.
Don't put it on the floor. I mean on the ground, okay? They're dirty. You're funny, Papa. I love you.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
apple juice with water?
After you, sir.
An apple juice with water. Can I have your money?
Here's my money. You're welcome.
Now can I have your chance?
Now can you have what?
Your chance.
My what?
Your chance with water and apple juice.
Okay. I love you. Uh-oh.
I got you water with apple juice.
Oh, thank you. Can I have your money? I love you. I love you, sir.
Thank you, man.
I'm not a ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I'm a sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am.
What do you want for lunch today?
Do you have tacos or enchiladas?
Tacos with enchiladas.
You need money again? You need a lot of money, sir. Here's your money.
Thank you.
You're welcome.